Hey guys, I'm Mateo with WTI, and these are the Fit Simplified resistance bands. I have really enjoyed using them because I'm able to add an extra difficulty to an exercise or to be able to work on my muscle mobility. It has been great to add to different exercises like abs, squats, push-ups, and they are also very helpful in warm-ups and for stretching after a workout. So really, they are very versatile and fun to add to any type of exercise. They are very well made, strong and durable, and once I keep making progress with one resistance band, I can move on to the next level of resistance to make it a little more challenging. Since they don't take up much space, they are very easy to take with me when I travel, so I can continue my workouts even if I'm away. This makes working out very fun. And that is my point of view.